How to redeem Airbnb promo code. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'm going to talk about how can you actually redeem Airbnb promo code or gift code online. So the first of all, what you have to do is simply open your preferred browser, and in the URL box, instead of visiting the official Airbnb website, type in airbnb.com/gift and hit enter in your keyboard. At this point, ensure that you are logged into your account, and here in this designated area where it said let's redeem your gift card, you're supposed to enter your gift card or your promo code over here, located at the back of your gift card accurately. Any mistakes in the details may prevent successful redemption. Once the PIN is entered correctly, click on the redeem card option over here. For checking your balance, visit your account section in your Airbnb website, Airbnb account. So this was all about how can you redeem the Airbnb promo code or gift card online. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.